Yeshua, Hamashhiach. Now you say, yes. Let's try it one more time. Yeshua, Hamashhiach. Say. The next one. Lion of Judah. Say. One more time. Say. One more time, please. Okay, the last one. Agune chamber. Did you get it? One more time. One more time, please. Okay, now we'll start from the beginning now. We say, Yeshua, Hamashhiach, Lion of Judah, Agune chamber. Yeshua, Hamashhiach, Lion of Judah, Agune chamber. Everybody say, Yeshua, Hamashhiach, Lion of Judah, Agune chamber. Yeshua,
Hamashhiach,
Lion of Judah, Agune chamber. Yeshua, Yeshua, Hamashhiach, Lion of Judah, Agune chamber. Say Yeshua, Hamashhiach, Lion of Judah, Agune chamber. Yeshua, Yeshua, Lion of Judah, Agune chamber. One more time, say Yeshua, Hamashhiach, Lion of the tribe of Judah, Agune chamber. Yeshua, Hamashhiach, Lion of Judah, Agune chamber. You know what Christ did on the cross, or what was given to him, what he became, is actually for the church. He became the anointed one for the church, not because of himself, but for the church. He became the one that guards the land, not for himself. He doesn't have insecurity. He's not insecure, but for the church. He became all things for the church. He's the head of the church. Just as Eve was brought out of Adam, so the church was brought out of who? Jesus. He said, I will build my church, and the gates of hell cannot comprehend it. That is what he did. He is the number one. He is the first. He is the last. The beginning, the end. Alpha, Omega. Yeshua,
Yeshua,
Hamashhiach, Lion of Judah,
Lion of Judah,
Agune chamber. Yeshua, Hamashhiach, Lion of Judah, Agune chamber. Say, Yeshua,
Yeshua,
Hamashhiach.
Hamashhiach.
Lion of Judah.